if there is something that you need to understand extremely well, is how to use tritone when you're playing, and also how to use tritone substitution. In this video, I'm gonna make it clear for you. If you have been confused or have seen other musicians use tritone and you have no idea what they are doing and how they actually ever come up with it, this is what I'm going to discuss in this lesson today. Now, tritone. This is extremely important concept that you need to master. But for you to master it, you have to know how to build it. It's very simple. In this keyboard, as a gospel pianist who want to move from all the time being intermediate, tired of your chords, the way it sounds, this video is going to make it clear for you. Tritone, as you can hear the name, tritone, three tone, right? How do you build that? Look at this. This is one, we are playing tonically in the key of C, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, then C again. And if you want to call it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 1 again. So far so good, right? To build a tritone, all you have to do is, this is a whole tone, a second, and a third. This is tritone. Very simple. You do 1, 2, 3, and this is tritone. Now you go, this is the tonic right here, and here this is a flat 5. This is tritone, and there's only 2 group of tritone. This is one, and this is another one also right here. This is 12 notes, 6, 6. However way you want to approach it, 6, 6. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Half tone, half tone, half tone, half tone, half tone, half tone. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 whole tone or 6 half tone. Same here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And if you want to do it in all 12 keys, the same thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or whole tone 1, 2, then 3. Okay, are we good? 1, 2, 3. Same thing here. 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 And back to C again. Now, tritone is used as a dominant chord. I would say a substitution for a dominant chord. For example, if we're here in the key of C, the dominant of the key of C is C7, right? This is C major 7, right? This is C half diminished, right? This is C fully diminished 7, right? Okay? And this is C dominant. Okay? Okay? This is, now, instead of using this dominant chord when I'm playing, I could actually use that, which is the third of C. But from here, I build the tritone. And I can also invert it. See, I'm going extremely slow, so you can understand this concept. All right? For my intermediate who want their chords to sound extremely advanced. All right? So just stay with me on this, okay? If you think if you see that you are getting some value out of this thing, I want you to like and subscribe also. All right? So look at this. This is tritone, right? Now, I had this dominant chord right here. I'm going to remove the tonic or the bass. Just play this. And omit the fifth. We don't need that. Because when you have this chord, we're in a dominant chord right now. With C in the bass. Let's say there's a bass player playing this, you could do this. But if I do this, look at this. Oh, that's a nice sounding chord from here. I can also use a F chord with it. That will make it sound pretty nice. I don't need this. It's okay, but I am removing some of the notes to make it sound simpler, right? In the beginning of the video, I played this song, Draw Me Nearer. Right? Then we do, see here? I could do this. This is the application of the tritone I could do. See here again, I use, this is a tritone I use right here. Even here I could do. See? All I'm doing is coming from C7 going to F right here. Okay? See? What I could do? Sound even better. See? I am going to the fourth. So I'm going to do it again. All I did was invert this tritone because it's a dominant. Okay? Here again. I hope you're getting something there, so getting some value. So whenever I'm going to the fourth, I use this tritone right here. But even if I stay on the 4, I could do diminish right here too. But I could also use the tritone. Now, this is something that you need to understand. Whenever you have the tritone, think of it as a dominant that you were going to use. Here, this is exactly this, except that you remove the C. Same way if I'm here too, this is A diminished 7, but I don't need to use the tonic, right? The bass. I just use that. It is. Let me do it again. I could also use it. I can also use it if I'm on the 3 going to 6 instead of using this. See? It's the E7 flat 9. This is a sharp 9, E7 sharp 9. I could use that instead. I'm gonna go slow again. It's just a nice moment you can use. I'm gonna do it again. What I'm doing is but I'm gonna remove the B, the E, and then this is a C inverted. Okay, so I can say it again here. 6 going to 2, you can use that. Even 1, even 5 going to 1, you can do that. This is a tritone right here. See? Learn how to use that in all 12 keys. If I'm in the key of D flat, and the tritone that I'm using with omitting the D flat will be this, which is also a G7, except I remove the G, see? Which means that I can substitute. Now we are in the substitution of tritone. The B, this I can substitute it for this. Let me just show you something. If I'm doing 2-5-1, let's just try it for a song. Let me see. Let me just do a 2-5-1. Okay, this is like a kind of a jazz or gospel-y sound. Look at this, 2 G7. Because G7 has, when I move G, I have B and F in it, and if I inverted the B, I put it here. Now I have the D flat. Do you get it? I mean, seriously, this is extremely important. If you get that, you definitely need to like this video right now and subscribe right now, because look at this. This is extremely important. When I have B7 right here, I could substitute D flat 7 to go to C major 7. The same way I could do this here. Then I could do this too. So the same 7. Or here. There's nothing wrong with that. Or I could even do the full chord. Oh. See? Or this. Cue the song. See? Before I used the G7, but now I use the D flat 7. You see? Now instead of using G7, I'm going to use D flat 7, which is D flat 7. See here, I am using, I'm on the 6 right now, right? So this is the 6. Same way I could have used that one too, because this is like, where do I find this in common? This is A7, it's also E flat 7. Oh, I can do this. Or maybe here. Go and do 2. Ooh. Jump in here. Here. So this is extremely important when you're using your song. You don't always use dominant with the root, but use the tritone and combine with chords from the left of the right hand to create some pretty nice harmony. Let's see, let's get this song. See? See here, this is E7. I use this. because they are new every morning. Maybe again. They are new every morning. Ooh, every morning. See? You could do that. All I just use is this. We'll do it again with the tritone substitution. Build a tritone. So what it is what you need to take away from this lesson. I'm going extremely slow so that everybody can get it. Is whenever you have the dominant chord, you could use the tritone substitution right here. I'm sorry, the tritone with omitting the bass. And if you invert it, you get the other tritone substitution, which is G flat, for example. Like, for example, if I'm going here, I could also do this. See, it sounds fine because this is just inversion of E and B flat and E. E and B flat. That gives me C, but I invert it, it gives me G flat. So whatever chord I use here will actually still work here. I know you find some value in this, and I'm asking you to like and subscribe because we have more stuff that we're going to be using, we're not giving you. So keep following and keep leaving your comments. Learn the tritone substitution in every single key. Learn how to use them, you know, with, let's say if you're doing even here, you're gonna move up half step. Practice them like this. Okay. All right. Practice them in all the keys so that you have a better, what they call muscle memory. When you're playing them, you don't have to even think about it. It's just there like this. Remember the tritone substitution. The tritone itself is used as dominant. It could be a dominant going to from a major 6, or from a dominant 6 going to a minor 6 or minor 2. It could also be a dominant going to a 1. In the case of let's say if we're in C major, the 6 is actually A7. You just remove the A, then you can do this. The same way that you do D flat and G, you could have actually done, which is A. You could have done also this, which is also a D, E flat 7. You get it? I can do this. All right. So please apply that to your practice routine. Practice them in all 12 keys, and use song that you know. Whenever you have a dominant chord, do not use the root, use the tritone. And if also you want to use a regular 7 that you always use with the tritone, use its substitution to learn on the chord that you want to learn, and that will definitely help move a step closer to being way more advanced that you are today. I hope this lesson will help you. And if this lesson did help you, I want you to subscribe, to like, and leave me a comment. Just write the word tritone. Tritone. That will tell me that you actually watched the video all the way to the end. And also practice in all of the 12 keys. And see you in the next lesson.